ZOESHAAA.
Hi! Good afternoon, morning, evening, whichever time of the day it is for you, wherever it is you are when you are watching this video. But right now it is in the afternoon and it is Sunday, so it is my first official weekly vlog. Should we come with a song? Yeah? Don't worry about it, me work on it, okay? But yeah guys, so as you guys know, I recently traveled back to Canada Friday. Today is Sunday. I wake up today, send me I go on the road, go do some things, do some errands, pick up some things, drop off some things, and Ray, I'm a carry on, you know, I did bring one along with me, you know. But guess what? We don't never have no memory card. We don't never pack up all of your things then when we were leaving. So I don't never get to see the road flex, but I'm going to go on the road, I'm going to go get Starbucks. Yeah, because I was missing, like, I had Starbucks in Jamaica, but it didn't taste the same. Like, I don't know how to explanation it. It didn't taste bad, but it didn't taste the same. So I'm going to get for the Starbucks. Yeah, I'm going to get for the Starbucks. See, I'm going to get for the dollar store, people. We got a dollar store. But first of all, people want me to start drive. Look on me. I drive on the left side of the road. I was driving on the left side of the road, not remembering anything, you know, me I drive too long in Jamaica. But yeah, figure it out now, drive on the right side of the road, go over my mother, drop off the things I'm gonna carry for her. When I go through the door, she was like, come never tell nobody when I come back, you know, never tell nobody when I come back and like, you know? So the anticipation is like, Zoe, when you come on, yeah girl, I'm home. Yeah, so I'm going up there, go check my mother really quick. Never tarry too long, you know, because I'm still basically technically in a quarantine, even though I got my test results today from what I did at the airport and I am negative, so I'm not feeling no way I go up on the road. Yeah, I'm negative. What else we did do? I might have to go get one SIM card for my phone because I have to change my number, all of this hoopla and stuff like that. So that's what I did. While I was at mommy's, I got some packages and stuff like that. I'll probably show that to you guys later on today if I do unbox anything today. And then yeah, that's about it. I'm still here relaxing. I was gonna clean today, change my mind. I have to go back on the road again later on and go pick something up for somebody and then come back home. Probably just pick up something on the way home to come and eat. I don't really feel like cooking. I'm probably not gonna cook back till tomorrow. I don't really have anything here. I have to double check and see what I have. But my sister, as I said yesterday, she bring me some chicken. My mom today gave me some pork. And yeah, some else can't find little things for you. You know, I have breadfruit, I have ackee, I have callaloo, I have burger when I carry up. Yeah, I have things, so, girl, should be good. I just look at my sister, I have freezer. I mean, freezer and I'm a patty. I have patty and I'm a freezer from last time. One bag of things. So tomorrow will be cleaning day. I can't wait to start working again, like my business wise, but I'm waiting for them to come reconnect my internet because I had to disconnect it while I was away in Jamaica because I'm not paying the extra money for that service day and I'm not use it. So yeah, me I have to wait till I get paid and then we can make them come and reconnect that. So yeah. Yo, you guys, yesterday I started watching a series. You guys are probably already like, girl, we've been there, done that, watch that 3 times. Watch list. I mean, Manifest. So anything I need to take on up. I think I've been on the road too long. But yeah, the movie name Manifest, the show name Manifest. I'm saying good. Flight 828. Girl. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did right now. If I go back on the road, I'll definitely carry you guys back because the memory card is in there now. And yeah, today's Sunday. There was supposed to be a video that was going up today, but as you guys know, I am currently depressed, so I wasn't really in the mood. Plus, after I uploaded Wednesday's video, like Thursday, Friday, like even Wednesday was happening, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, and then yeah, and then as I said, I come here, I'm not having the internet, nothing like that, but I can do it. It's just gonna be delayed. So yeah. Anyhow, that's about it for now. So may I go relax a little bit, finish Manifest a little bit before I have to go up on the road. We double check and see if the people are not sending the address, so I have to go pick up the things them. And then yet, side note, you guys think I talk fast? Cause babe would be like, what you say? What you say? What you say? What you say? You talk too fast sometimes. So wanna comment down below, let me know if you guys think I talk too fast and if you guys want me to slow it down a little bit for you guys, okay? I love you guys. Bye. See you guys in a little bit. Bye. Mwah. So I'm home trying to fix my TV to set up for some DVDs because babies, that's all I got to watch right now. So they come and set up my internet this week again, as I think I mentioned before. But before I get into that, show you guys. So I had some packages. This skirt I bought for Jamaica before going to Jamaica. It's like a nice little latex skirt and the side of it going tie up, so I can't wait to put on this for the summer. The only good thing about this is that, because you know your girl put on weight in Jamaica, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie, your girl. And my brother-in-law was just like, girl, you put on some pounds. I put on some weight in Jamaica, but that's okay because of that my man like. Look at body weight, people. Look at body heavy. I'm not telling a lie, heavy. Jeez. Yeah, heavy, bad, but as Mr. Steele, where you ever with some girl buy? So yeah, the skirt. I'm gonna lose a little weight first. This can't, the one on my poke I show. This can't wear. I mean it can stretch it up even. But I don't wanna look like, you know, so I'll wait. I take out about 20 pounds, it should be good. So I got that. And then the other two stuff, I'm just gonna wait to show you guys because I gotta do a whole video for them. They were basically packages from sponsorship stuff that I gotta do videos for. So I'm gonna do those this week. And then those will be coming up soon. Y'all, I brought them back. If you guys are in Jamaica and never tried it, or going to Jamaica, never tried it, been to Jamaica since the year started and have never tried it, do not sleep on it. Water, if you want, listen, if you want to work with me, brother, I'm telling you, call me. Because this, my face deserves to be on the buckle, yeah. Me some melon water to me. I seen this at Dollar Tree, so I had to get it. So freaking cute. Don't know where me I go put it yet, but had to get that. And then this is just for business purposes. So yeah, that's really it for the day. Actually, I'm using this as a garbage bag. That is it for the day, people. My little savings, I never even realized I did have a little change. And I'm a little stash. I'm coming and I'm open up my, so wow. Zoe, you didn't have money, girl, in foreign. But yeah, guys, the thing what I didn't need to do, me do. That's what's up for now. This was my Sunday. Just getting in. Going to call it a night. Watch some TV. Babe is sleeping. I'm gonna say I'm gonna call me when I'm awake. I'm just gonna shower and call it a night. This is boring. I don't want to show you guys this boring stuff. I ain't got nothing to do now. Excitement done. All of them Sunday. So, yeah, but tomorrow will be a cleanup day. I don't think I have anything to do tomorrow. I need to buy deodorants, and I think that's about it. Maybe get some potatoes to make for dinner or whatever. But I think that's it. And yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day. And call it a day. Okay? So I'll see you guys, excuse me, tomorrow. Emotions approaching, burning inside. I can't escape, but one thing Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's the next day, it's Monday. I don't have work today, I'm currently quarantining, but I gotta go to the bank. So I am heading there now. I'm just at home, I'm in my parking lot and about to head off. And then, yeah. So let's go, you guys.
To load it, my voice. With my voice and to load it, I make my supplications. The fool has never been told yet. The truth has never been spoken of. Sometime, we can't straight just sometime. There's some no know one sometime, but I just stop search, having no love time. Go over the find time for you and
So guys, I'm at Timmy's. Trying to get some breakfast. Well, not really breakfast, I just need something to snack on. Alright, cool. Yeah, girl, move. Yeah, lady, move out of the way. Y'all, I haven't been here in so long. They have so much stuff. Ooh, peach, strawberry, watermelon. Oh my god, classic lemonade. Oh my god, I haven't had a strawberry frozen lemonade in so long. Okay, I'm gonna get a frozen lemonade and a bagel. Baby, no tea for me today. But I want to try the classic lemonade. And the fruit quenchers. Baby girl, those look bomb. Everything looks so different. Ooh, and they have new eggs.
Can we take your order?
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Could I get a medium, oh wait. Is the frozen lemonade, there's no raspberry?
No, we have original and strawberry.
Oh, you guys don't do raspberry anymore?
No raspberry.
Oh, okay. Give me one quick second.
Sorry?
Let me just get let me try the strawberry. The strawberry lemonade, a medium. Or no, let me try a small first.
Sorry?
Can I get a small strawberry lemonade?
Okay.
And also, could I get a everything bagel toasted with butter?
Okay.
That should be everything.
Okay,
I'm using cards, sorry. Sorry?
355.
Okay, thank you. People, like what? Anyways, so they don't have raspberry lemonades no more. I'm gonna petition because I don't know why they would stop making raspberry lemonades. Raspberry lemonades were bomb. I don't even know where my Tim Hortons card is. Nazi. But yeah, I had to go pick up some deodorant, guys. I went to the dollar store. Oh my god, I went to Dollarama, so that's like Canada's dollar store, and then I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, which everybody from America must know about Dollar Tree. Yeah, so I'm gonna visit my favoriteest places except one, which is Michael's, but I'll wait till tomorrow for go there. So I can't start working fully until I get my internet back, but I want to go to Mommy's and try use VR things. Plus I want to go over there later today and upload the vlog and them something there and finish edit it and whatever I was doing that this morning when I woke up to nominate here from people money. It's look like him. I don't know what I'm to him. Either him not have no credits, not credit, either him not have no internet or I'm still asleep. I don't think I'm gonna go work today. So yeah, but I don't know what happened. The phone cut off last night. I'm gonna try to call him back when I wake up about 3 o'clock in the morning and him still never answered the phone. So I don't know. I haven't heard from him yet. And it is now 10:06. So yeah, just here in the line waiting to get my breakfast. You know what I'm saying? When it comes, I will show it to you guys. I want to go finish listening to my chronics.
Asking me why. You know what? I've been calling
you guys
since yesterday.
I don't know what it was. Like, normally, yes, when I go to Jamaica, I fall in love with songs, right? And they always make me remember about the time and place where I fell in love with it or whatever. But yo, I have so many songs from this trip that when I listen to them, I literally just want to break. You guys, this trip was different on so many levels. It's just so hard to explanation it, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm so happy to see my family. I think I said when I went to go look for my nieces yesterday, them look for me like me a dopey. Literally look, or maybe I didn't share it with you guys. Maybe I was telling babe, but yeah, I went to go look for my nieces yesterday, and they were just, whoa, like they were like, yo, it feels like a year, like that we haven't seen you, you haven't been here, like, you know what I'm saying? My brother-in-law was like, you put on weight, like, you know. So it's good to see my family. My mom thought she'd seen a duppy too, because as I said, I never tell nobody, so I'll come back every time them ask me just a soon. And yeah, but I missed them, so I know they definitely have had to have missed me too. So yeah, but yeah, had to come back and put certain things in place, get things in order, and yeah, that's to be responsibility. I have to come back to work too, you guys. Like, yeah, I think I extended my stay as long as I could have possibly extended it for, like from 2 weeks and some days to 6 months and some days. Yeah, I'll go to run for my little money. So I'm content. I'm not content, but I'm content, if you get what I mean. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? Alright, cool. Could pick up the food for the people there. See if I tell. Good morning. What was it? Was it 250 or 350?
It's 355.
Okay, I couldn't hear clearly. Thank you. Oh, armpit stink. It's supposed to say your total there. I don't know what occurred, but yeah. Strawberry's not bad, but y'all, the raspberry was pop. I'm gonna have to wait till next summer when they come out with another flavor and bring back raspberry, because I don't know why they would have took that back and not just add to it. Thank you so much. These places are so weird. But anywho, got my food.
You're not
See you guys
picking up.
upstairs. Hey guys, it's me, your favoriteest girl ever in the whole wide world, period. Yeah, it's Tuesday. I'm so tired, you guys. I'm so tired. And I literally took you guys along with me. Hold on, let me put this on pause. I literally took you guys on the road with me, but it's been raining, like thunderstorms, lightning, all of them someday. So I've just been running outside and coming back in, whatever. And I think I'm getting sick because I got caught in the rain too. So yeah, I'm home now. I went this morning to pick up something from the store for my sister. Then I dropped it off to her. Then I went home. Then I went back on the road to go get something to eat. And then I had to do something for babe, so I had to come back home. And then I went to my mom's to go and do something to use her internet, because as you know, my internet has still not been reconnected, but good news, it's gonna be reconnected on Friday. Yeah, now, so hopefully my upload schedule should be back to normal. I uploaded a video yesterday, which was Monday. That should have been Sunday's video. And today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. Another video should be going up, but I don't think another video is going to be going up. I think a video will be going up on Thursday. So it's just delayed by like a day or two. So I'm not really missing any videos. I'm just missing the specific day. So yeah. But anyhow, my life should be somewhat back to normal on Friday. So yeah. And then yeah, so I went to my mom's. I did not have the correct charger from this laptop, so I wasn't actually able to do any work. So I just decided to come back home because again, it's been raining, thunderstorming and lightning, and I just decided that if it's gonna be that kind of weather, I might as well just be at home. So I'm here home now. I'm about to organize some stuff. I went to Walmart before I came home, and I had to pick up some of this stuff just to organize some of my scraps for my all wrapped up decorating core business thingy. And I picked up these cups. I think I'm gonna post them and see who wants them and then design them. I know I want one for myself. I've been dying for one of these color changing cups. I picked this up at Walmart, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll have like 3 left. And then I picked up a bottle that I'm gonna have to decorate for a little boy. His mom just placed an order, so people are back in business. I'm super excited. So yeah, his mom just placed an order, a huge order actually. Some chip bags, stuff like that. So I have that, and so what I guess whenever I'm doing that, I can definitely show you guys, you know, me in work mode and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna organize some of my scraps and stuff like that, because I'm trying to actually decorate for a home office. I got an email the other day. I hope it comes through. Either way, if it doesn't or not, I still gotta have like an office space, because I need a space specifically for business. Like right now it's my room and it's crazy. So like my printer is there, my jewelry stuff is there, I have stuff for my all wrapped up business in there, sometimes like in my closet. Don't mind the basket, people may just come back. So yeah, yeah, like I have, like, you know, everything is just, don't mind my just the people I'm cleaning up, okay? But yeah, like I have stuff everywhere pertaining to, you know, like business, even like behind the saw and stuff like that. So like it's a lot. I just want a space to designate for that, so when I'm in work mode, I'm in like work mode, you know what I'm saying? And I don't like when my room gets messy, because I'm making a mess, because that's what I have to do. And then like it's just so uncomfortable. Not necessarily saying it's uncomfortable, because it's nothing for me to just dash everything and just go sleep. But I would rather not, and just be able to just come in here and be like, ah, and go to sleep, you know? So I'm excited to do that. And yeah, but that's pretty much it for today, guys. We're not gonna bore no, or whatever the case may be. I might make the camera run a little bit and showing us some how organized and all these things. But other than that, that's all that happened today. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day. I have to go back to mommy's anyways. And yeah, but until then, hope you guys had a great Tuesday. And yeah, I'm excited for Friday. I can't wait for Friday morning to come. And they're coming early. They're coming from 8 o'clock to 10 p.m. I mean 8 o'clock to 10 a.m. So I should have internet so I can finish watching Manifest. If you guys watched Manifest, comment down below, let me know. Yo, that series was so good. Like Flight A28, baby, like what happened? Somebody, like, well, I'm not finished watching it yet, so I'll probably know what happened. So you'll probably end up hearing me talking about Manifest later on. But I have Manifest to catch up on. I have 90 Day Fiancé to catch up on. I have Married to Medicine to catch up on. I have Mama June from Hot to Not to catch up on. Teen Mom, Growing Up Hip Hop. I can't remember, but I know I have all those things to catch up on. So yeah, later, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I know it's super late in the day, but welcome to Wednesday, day before Canada Day. It's nighttime. It's what time now? 9 o'clock, and I'm at Walmart. And there's a line. Why are we still doing this in 2021? I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. I guess I was in Jamaica for so long. I totally forgot, but here we are with lines at 9 o'clock at night, bro. Anyways, yeah, as I said, tomorrow's Canada Day, so this is probably why, because nothing is open tomorrow. So yeah, but welcome to Canada and their lockdown services. This is crazy, fam, but we're doing it because I gotta go in there and get some stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, and happy Canada Day! Happy July 1st! Happy the month I got married! Yes, we have one important to celebration. Anyways, you guys, it's nighttime. I'm horrible, but I literally left the phone today at home, so that's why. But anyways, at 9 o'clock, literally 9 o'clock on the dot. Yeah, and it's Canada Day, as I said. We're not really celebrating this year because a whole heap of things have been going on with finding like bodies of indigenous children. And I don't know why I've been struggling to say that word today, but indigenous, yeah, children and all of that kind of stuff. So we just, nobody was just like, and there wasn't really anything going on today. I think my cousins did something, they didn't invite me, so I'm holding them accountable to that. But other than that, nobody was doing anything. My best friend Fuffy, as you guys know, had to watch her nieces because everybody else was, her niece and nephew, because everybody else was working. So we didn't get to link up today. And tomorrow is Friday. Everybody's going back to work. I'm still home finishing up my quarantine. Yeah, but there might be fireworks happening I do think that there are going to be fireworks because I see a lot of people outside, and I just seen one of my friends from school, because she lives not too far from me, outside as well, like setting up. So if there's gonna be fireworks, I'd rather go outside and watch the fireworks rather than watching them from my room. So I'm going to... Oh my God. Guy literally shot himself with the firecracker and dropped. This is why I'm scared to go outside, because this is the foolishness that I'm trying to run away from. But if there are fireworks happening, I'm gonna go outside. It's 9 o'clock, so I think it should be happening soon. I don't think it's gonna be too early because it's still kind of lit outside. I want to show you guys where I'm at, but I also don't want to show you guys where I'm at. So let's just do it like... Yeah, you see the sky? Yeah, so the sun is setting. Or whatever. I don't mind saying I have no curtain or nothing like that. Just wait my curtain right. I'm gonna go up soon in my living room and in my room. So Goodie's going to have her nice. Oh well, let them fly or come from us. Anyways, Goodie's gonna have a nice setup. Don't worry yourself. Everything is happening, okay? Slowly but surely, yeah? So yeah, just literally got in from mom's. I was at her pretty much all afternoon doing work for my business. Well, my business is my accessory page, which is the missing pieces. I will leave the information here. If you're not already following me, go ahead, follow me, make a purchase. We're having a sale right now. I don't know if when this is going, well, it's a sale on select items that I'm trying to just get rid of, but they've been reduced like more than 50%. And also, all wrapped up, I just had like some invoices to send out and payments to, like payment invoices to send off or whatever, and also to make my templates for the stuff that I have, because I have an order that needs to be done tomorrow and she added something earlier today. So I'm actually gonna do that with you guys tomorrow. You guys will actually see me do the process of that order. Oh my God, fireworks are starting! Y'all see? See the little trickle over there? See the little light? You put the arrow there so one can see it. But yeah, it was happening a while ago. People, hold on. Anyways, people, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. I don't think there's gonna be a late time or anything like that. So let me just do what I have to do, get ready, and then go downstairs. So see you guys in a little bit while we go see fireworks. People, tell me how. All right, first and foremost, the people them tell me say the people that come between 8 and 10 this morning to come and set up the internet, right? Cool. All right, me there so wake up bright and early, say yeah, me you know, do whatever I have to do. Cool. 10 o'clock come, I see the people them call back the people them say between 8 and 12. Say, all right, cool, whatever. Me there so I see no 12 o'clock come now, me I call the people them I say pan them and it say it's connected. But me say, I'm not hearing nothing from them, I see nobody call me, not like that. That means I could have left here, so go do everything what I need to do, you know? And come back and do what I need to do. Me there saw me I say, my next phone I say, oh, me I get notification. I was trying yesterday. No, my internet no come back. My internet no come back, me there saw internet come back, there saw dead with boredom. Come here and say, Lord, oh, I could have watched Netflix and all these things. And could have work and all these things. So anyways, people, internet come back. Yeah? Right through, so good. You know, so I am starting to do my work, but before I do that, it is the 2nd, which means I have to take a COVID test. I figured let me just quickly show y'all how to do this. So This device is strictly intended for the use of collecting nasal specimens for COVID-19 lab processing through self-collection, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's open this bad boy up. We will be right with you. This is what it looks like when you open it. Oi. Something freak me out, you know, brother. Okay. Wow, I gotta even mail it and everything. So here's the instruction manual. I have that. Register your kid. Happy when we can't bother me do this later on. I have the whole day to do this. I can't bother to do this. I have work to do. So right now, yeah, sorry, as I said, right now I'm on Canva. Just making my stuff. So I do my designs in Canva because I love Canva. It's user friendly for me. Like people where, you know, are getting old and up in age and don't really know anything really or whatever. So I'm making some water bottle labels, hey, as well as some Hershey labels or favors. So I gotta print these out. So this is the first label. I don't know who it is for, but yeah. So this is the first one, silver and blue. So I'm just gonna print this and then show y'all when it comes out. Welcome to my office. Hi. Here are the first ones. Pretty nice. Just gotta cut them out. And these ones I can't wait to see printed. Like this design I am happy about. Like super freaking excited about. Ooh! Oh! Oh! Jeez! Yo, the blue? You guys, the blue on this? Hold on, the people. Look at that. All wrapped up, baby. Okay. Alright, let me print the next one. Alright, that's done. Print. I actually can't do that one yet because I gotta go and get a sheet of contact paper to laminate it, and then don't bother. Here. And then I have to have orders for. I just got orders for the missing pieces. Y'all. When I say I don't want to work for people no more, I don't want to work for people anymore. I don't know if when this goes up, well, my sale should still be up, but I'm having a $5 to $10 sale on all the bags that I currently have, all the accessory pieces that I currently have. And yeah, so, all right. So the water bottle labels are done. Now, go back to Canva. Alright guys, in the car, I'm gonna go get some supplies to finish what I gotta do, so I'll see you when we get to the store. Okay? Okay. This destination, we are at stop please. Not telling a low lie. Canada? Hot. Holy shiznit, it's freaking hot, bro God. It never have it hot, sir. Jesus, Savior Divine, place never have to stay, so. But that's what Canada, yo. It's two extremes. It's either really hot or really freaking cold. Like, there's just no in-betweens, but whatever. Anybody else ever feel super, like, lost when they come in these stores? Like, I can't find anything in here. Nothing. Hey guys, these are self-laminating. Okay, I think I'm in the right area. Let me finish looking, because yeah, my mind, I don't know anything about these places, and every time I come in here I'm just looking around like I ain't got no motherfucking sense, because everything is just, I'm looking for laminating sheets. This is self-laminating. Where did I see it just now? Self-laminating. Oh, this one, self-laminating. Okay guys, I'll be back. Found what I was looking for in Staples, but so here I am at Best Buy, and look at that, lines. 2 years after COVID start, why we still having lines? Father God, why? I'm over this. Anyways people, may I have my soon come. Boy, so guys, finally in the car. I think I got everything that I needed to complete my project. I'm just hungry though, like. So yeah, this is what I went to get. This is one I actually got from the dollar store for $1.25. I'm gonna try it and see. And then this one I got from, excuse me, Canadian Tire for $6.99. So I'm gonna bring this one back and keep the dollar store one, because the dollar store one's only $1.25. Yeah, so yeah, but I got a burrito bowl, a chicken burrito bowl. Ooh, the tortilla is so warm. I got a chicken burrito bowl from Chipotle. It's the little things like this that I missed in Jamaica, because we don't got no Chipotle. I mean, there's a Mexican restaurant called Chilitos. I've never been. Don't know what it tastes like, but I do watch Danielle. Renee, I believe that's her. She's always at Chilitos. She's always going to Chilitos. So I know they have like some sort of Mexican, but people, get into it. They will be so happy. Brown rice, chicken, corn, sour cream, cheese, salsa, and lettuce. And as I said, I got my little burrito here. So I'm gonna make a quick little bite for the journey going home. The bread hot. Bread hot like fire. See, I always, you guys, get the best of both worlds. You can have your burrito bowl. You can taste, smell the corn. And you can have a burrito itself for 25 cents extra. But I think they caught on, because once upon a time they never charged. They didn't know what you had to do before you come out here and lick me car. Hello. Amen. Oh my God. Let me put sweet on, man. Oh, where's my knife? Sorry guys, here. He's good on. getting something for our anniversary. I know what I want to get him, but it's not gonna reach him in time. So I don't know. I gotta figure out what I'm getting him for his anniversary. I mean our anniversary. But yeah, I don't know, like 2 weeks time. Jeez Louise. Yeah guys, it's August. I mean it's July. Well, August. It's July. Why am I speeding up time like it's not already moving fast? Hopefully one of those ship too much. But we're outside. Now talk to you when we reach home, okay? Bye. Alright guys, so we are home. I am about to get started. Just getting right into it, girl. Yeah, girl. These are the chocolate bars that I'm working with. I don't even have the foil to whatever, but luckily her theme is blue, so I'm just gonna leave the edges out. For this time it will work. I need to go re-up. Like I need to make a list of what everything that I need. Whew. And then I got these bad boys. So what I want to do, well, what am I starting off with? No. All I want to do is just take this paper, this label, and cut them. There we have it. So those are my labels. I'm gonna go do the rest of them and come back. So I'm done. So this is what they look like. Designed by me. This is my favorite, like fave. The colors, so pretty. So guys, finished all of my chocolate bars.
Hey, can you keep an eye on her?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished all my chocolate bars. I just cut out all of my labels for the water bottles, so I'm gonna put those on. This out.